And you may have been drunk in that video, correct?
There's a possibility of that, yes, sir.
You poured yourself a mega pint of red wine, correct?
A mega pint.
Yeah.
I poured myself a large glass of wine.
Right.
I thought it necessary.
Right.
Will you please state your name?
Yes, it's Amber Laura Hurd.
And what is your address?
I live in Yucca Valley, California.
And how old are you, Amber?
I am 36. I just celebrated.
Okay. And do you have a daughter?
I do. She also celebrated her birthday recently. She's 1.
Okay. And what is your profession?
I am an actor, mostly.
Okay. Now, why are you here?
I am here because my ex-husband is suing me.
You find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Hurd acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. As against Amber Hurd, we, the jury, award...
Do I have to answer that question, Your Honor?
You have to answer questions. Yes, sir.
Was extremely clean and it looked invisible.
You are so right. You are so right. Because before I lived here, the glass was always covered in smudges. And I moved in and I cleaned it. So I guess that makes me the devil.
You are! She is! She is the devil! I'm in hell! I'm burning!
I lose my balance. At this point, we're sitting next to each other on the edge of the couch, or I was on the edge of the couch. I was just sitting there on this carpet, looking at the dirty carpet, wondering how I wound up on this carpet and why.
Now, you said that on the 22nd that you kissed her on the cheek.
What day?
The 22nd, your birthday?
22nd, Sunday, yes.
Okay. So when you showed it the first time, you went like this.
And I was walking out of the bedroom, slapped me across the face. I turned to look at him. And I said, Johnny, you hit me. You just hit me. And I was walking out.
Miss Hurd, I believe that your first name is Amber. Is that correct? Yes or no? Amber is the name in which I was given at birth and the name in which I identify as. So your name is Amber. Amber is the way in which one addresses me, as it was the name provided to me at birth. So is that a yes, Miss Hurd? I believe the name provided to me at birth by my legal guardians was Amber. Okay.
Christ, I am violently hungover right now. Listen, if it's alright with you, I'm just going to object hearsay everything today.
God, did you even pass your bar exam?
What? The bar exam? It's a massive scam. I mean, who can't pour straight whiskey? Come on.
Other uses for your throat that do not include injury. Did I read that right? Other uses for your throat that do not include injury. Did I read that right? Other uses for your throat that...
Yes, you read it correctly.
Objection! Leading! Wait, no, shit!
Objection, hearsay, objection, hearsay, objection, hearsay.
Okay, I'm ready.
It just feels so wrong doing this.
Pirates of the Caribbean is one of my favorite movies.
Oh, jelly cheese rice.
I have one more question, Your Honor. Mr. Depp, is it okay if I get a selfie? 3, 2, 1. Oh, my phone just died. 1 second, Your Honor.
Amber, can I borrow your phone?
All right, thank you so much.
All right, here you go. Hey, Amber, can you send that to me? You are by far the worst lawyer I've ever heard of. Well, you have heard of me.
Okay. Mr. Johnny Depp, you called Mrs. Amber Hurd a dick tweezer in these text messages. You mind explaining these? Yeah, no problem. I called her a dick tweezer. Hearsay objection. I said hearsay. Judge, I said hearsay, didn't I?
Is there something amusing about kicking a door into your husband's head?
Okay, Amber, say that's correct.
That's correct.
Something amusing to you about punching your husband in the jaw?
Say it again.
That's correct.
You also have had a baby, right?
Gimme. Okay. Yes, the one I just shot in Guatemala.
Yes, the one I just shot in Guatemala.
I'm dying.
All right, your next witness.
Oh shit, I didn't know we were starting yet. Wait, almost got it. Perfect. Perfect spot.
Okay, could you please state your full name?
Yeah, I am Jason Momoa.
Mr. Momoa, do you know Amber Heard?
I do. Hi, Amber.
Don't talk to her. So how do you know Amber?
We work together on Aquaman.
So you work together as actors, right?
No, as janitors.
Mr. Momoa, you have to take this serious. He's not a janitor, he's actually Aquaman. Would you say you felt safe around Amber on the set?
Sure, I guess.
So there was not even one incident?
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Why? What happened?
Well, Amber and I were in the pool recording a scene. And it was just the two of us. And she pointed at the water and said, "Look at that beautiful brown fish."
So what seems to be the issue? I'm not following.
Any wildlife in the water would be computerized, so that wasn't a brown fish.
I don't understand. What was it?
Well, it was, shall I say, Amber's turn.
Mr. Momoa, how do you even know what that was? Did you even take a picture of Amber's Heard?
No, I didn't.
So do you have any evidence?
Well, I made a replica. Yeah, here it is. Now, does that look like a fish? Nope. Man, how did that even come out of her body? Ah! Oh, man.
Something nice, what you can deny.
Okay, so back in like 2009, 2010, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met on the set of a movie and fell in love. Then in 2015, they got married. But not too soon after that, in 2016, they filed for divorce. Yeah, super quick marriage. Okay, fast forward 2 years to 2018. Amber Heard comes out as being a survivor for domestic violence. It's in the news, tabloids, she tweets about it, and she's just talking about how survivors' voices need to be elevated and heard. And although she didn't directly name Johnny Depp in any of her tweets or anything, there was huge speculation that Johnny Depp was the one who abused her. So because of that, he got dropped from so many contracts and so many producers wouldn't work with him, including Pirates of the Caribbean. But then Johnny was like, what the heck? And he pulled an Uno reverse card and he goes, why are you accusing me of domestic violence when I should be the one accusing you? Yep, the plot thickens. The plot thickens. So then he goes, I'm going to take you to court and sue you for $50 million. Okay, so now they're in court. Johnny Depp just finished his testimony, and frankly, none of Amber Heard's lawyers had anything on him. But Amber Heard's going to testify soon, and so we will just see what happens. Sorry, what were you saying? Oh, what did I get for question 4?
I stood up and he said, you want to go again, tough guy? And I just looked right at him, just looked right at his face. And he balled up his fists, leaned back, and headbutted me square in the nose. Just right as I stood in front of him.